Hey queens, today we're going to be trying a glueless synthetic wig, and this one is supposed to be pretty promising, you guys. Like I said, you're supposed to be able to wear it glueless. It comes with different perks like a wig strap, 13x6 lace front area, and a lot of other good things. So we're going to give this one a try. I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. Well, obviously I do because I already installed it, but I'm not going to leave any spoilers. Let's jump right into it. I hope you will consider subscribing. We're on the way to 24K subscribers. Thank you everybody who's already subscribed. Also, you guys, the information to this wig and all the products I'm going to be using will be in the description in the comment section. All right, y'all, jumping into the construction. I kind of already told you this one does come with combs and a wig strap. The lace front area is a 13x6, and I'm just highlighting and letting you guys see that. And also it does come with some baby hairs, which I will be using later on. Okay, so to get into this styling, I didn't really know what to expect, you guys. I haven't learned a lot about this wig, so this was a learning process. So let's jump into it. I decided to do a side part. I love a side part, y'all, so that's what I'm more comfortable with. That's what I decided to do. So we're brushing the wig out, and this wig is in the color 2. Here's what it would look like if you decide to do a middle part, you guys, and this is the wig straight out of the pack. No manipulation, no styling, okay? The middle part was cute, but we're definitely going to go with the side part. So here's the other side. I know some people are a left side girly, a right side part girly. I'm either or, just as long as it is a side part, and the side part was definitely giving. All right, y'all, so once I got my side part together, I went ahead and got my stuff out to go ahead and style it, and we're just going to do a couple things to this wig, and we are going to test out to see if it is glueless or not. The first thing we're going to do is tint the lace. It definitely did need some tint on it. I'll put the information to this lace tint that I use, which is actually foundation, in the description of this video, and the shade that I'm using. So here's what the lace looks like now, and we're going to go ahead and cut it. Shout out to everybody who can cut lace on their forehead, okay? I'm still not 100% comfortable with that. I do it sometimes, but if I'm really trying to get something right, I'm going to take that wig back off. So took the wig off, cutting the lace, and here's what the wig looks like with the lace cut. Let's go ahead and put it on and let's start styling. So I'm going to add some more of that foundation just in some spots on the lace that I noticed that I wanted to add a little bit more tint to. And even as I'm brushing the wig out, you can really see that it has a nice shine to it, but not too much, and it has a lot of body, which I like. So I am going to do like 2 to 3 swoops on this one because I am wearing it glueless, and I just wanted a little bit of razzle dazzle on the front, and I'm going to add some hair wax to it. It wasn't like crazy like frizzy or anything, but I did want it to lay a little bit flatter since I wasn't going to put heat to this one. And here's the final look, you guys. I'm going to show you the front, the back, and the middle, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you know that this wig is a buy in my opinion. I think that it looks really good. It's giving like a 90s feel with the hair. Y'all see it in a minute, with the hair like, what is it called, bumped in, like, you know when you go get a silk press and they're like, do you want your ends bumped? Yeah, this is what it's giving, like a layered bumped silk press type of look. I think it looks really cute, you guys, and it was pretty low maintenance, pretty beginner friendly in the styling, not like a whole bunch of stuff I had to do to get it to look like this. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this wig, whether you think it's a buy or a ban. If you enjoy this series, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Put the information to this wig, the products I use, and the products we talked about in the description of this video and in the comments. Once again, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Appreciate you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see y'all in the comments. Bye, queens.